What's up, guys? How you doing? Once again, it's your boy Bitcoin Rodney coming to you guys straight from the basement. And today I told you guys we have an exciting segment today talking about e-commerce. And that's how I first made my first 7 figures, was in the e-commerce business of eBay and Amazon. Now I've met up with 2 of the biggest pros, the dynamic duo in e-commerce. And that's my main man, Raymond Scott, my main man over here, Troy Hefe Fobbs, or Troy Fobbs Hefe, one of them. I get it mixed up, you know what I mean?
It's Fobbs Hefe.
Fobbs Hefe. What these guys are going to do is explain to you how you guys can also get involved with us in the eBay and the Amazon business and make a small fortune. Take it away.
So what we're doing for Rodney is building, managing, and scaling his Amazon seller account. We do everything is hands-free for him. We do the product research, we do the inventory management, we do the spreadsheet so that he can know exactly what he's spending and making with the products that he's selling. Customer service, feedback, all of that is done by Troy and I and the team of employees that we have that will be completely automating his store.
Well, let me ask you a question. What is so different between this? So many other guys out there who are doing Amazon and Amazon automation, so they call it Amazon automation. What's better than what you guys do that they don't do?
So what we do is, first of all, starting out, you're going to have a personalized experience. The personalized experience is going to be different from everyone else, simply because getting your EIN, LLC, your reseller's license, your tax exemptions, and actually setting up your store is going to be on a Zoom call, right? Usually what ends up happening is the other gurus or pros, they usually send you to videos for you to follow. So what that does is you end up losing time, right? Where you could be necessarily set up within 7 to 14 days after getting all your reseller license. Sometimes it takes clients 30 to 60 days because they don't completely understand the process or have someone holding their hand through the process of actually getting the store going. So that's one of the main points and what separates us from the other gurus and pros, so-called, out there.
So that sounds very amazing to me. I mean, it's a no-brainer. But let's talk about the track record. And nobody wants to join anybody for you to try out on them. So let me ask you this. How well have you done so far in this space prior to today? What have you done so well? I mean, who have you helped, and how much have they made working with you?
We've been able to manage successfully over 400 plus accounts. A lot of the gurus and pros out there, they won't tell you that they have white labeled our service, which means that they're using our employees to, basically run their stores. So what we've been able to do, over $10 million in gross sales.
Go say it again?
$10 million in gross sales.
Damn! $10 million in gross sales.
Across, a host of the stores. And just yesterday we had a client that had a record-breaking day of $80,000 in gross sales with roughly 15 to 20% profit margins. And then hot in today, he lets me know that, hey, we need to scale his store back to $10,000 to $15,000 a day because $80,000 he wouldn't be able to support it with the capital that he needed in order to fulfill the inventory of sales that were coming in.
Now that's a good problem to have, am I wrong?
Right, you're right.
What's up, guys? So let me explain to you the other part of the dynamic duo. That always means there's 2. So my other partner over here is Troy Hefe Fobbs, or Troy Fobbs Hefe. I keep getting that mixed up. So Troy, tell us about what your part of what's going on with the Amazon business on your side.
Hey, how y'all doing? It's Hefe. So let me further elaborate on what Ray was saying about when we started. We started back in 2016 where Ray had his own service and store. He built that store up to do over, I believe, like $600,000 or $700,000 in gross income the first year. And off of that, me and him both had the idea to provide that service for other people. To make the record straight, we were the first people, and this is controversial because a lot of people claim that they were the first. We were the first people to ever offer a fully automated Amazon service across the board. The first ever automation client was my aunt. Hey, Aunt Duck. And she's still getting money to this day. I think last year she did almost $1 million in gross sales. So we still doing it and we still kicking, and we have all the experience in the world. We did it ourselves. We made sure we had a product that worked. We've also had over 450 clients where we got results for all of them across the board. Our service has been white label. So now it's time for us to take over this industry in our own way, the way we know how. by partnering with Bitcoin Ride.
You know what's so exciting is we're dealing with the originals. You guys know me. I'm very, very transparent. I deal with the originals in almost everything that I do. Now I'm gonna bring this across the whole board to all you guys. These guys will be working for you. They're also bringing in Miss Bitcoin Brenda, Bitcoin Beauty. You guys know I'm so jacked up with these names. So we're bringing on Miss Bitcoin Beauty as well, because she's gonna be like a prodigy of this thing as well. And she's gonna be bringing on her team and we can help her with her store as well. Are you excited about that, Brenda?
I am truly excited about what's getting ready to happen as far as being able to bring in wealth for my family and what we'll be able to do for everyone else. So I would like to put this out there, okay, to the dynamic duo.
Well, that's your trio, because I'm here now.
To the dynamic trio, here's what I would like to propose. As anyone, they follow me on Facebook or Instagram, if they are interested in partnering up as far as getting their automated Amazon account, now I would like to put out there that I would like to offer them a special discount on my behalf based on what I do. So if you guys reach out to me or reach out to the dynamic trio and say it's because of Bitcoin Beauty, let us know so we can go ahead and assist you and give you something, a perk for just partnering up with us.
I just love how she just takes charge of things, you know what I mean? But that's pretty exciting, guys. That's pretty exciting. You guys will get these guys working for you and maybe us doing some of the marketing for you. I mean, that could be exciting. So listen, guys, make sure you get all the information you can from down below, or our names will be across the screen somewhere. Get at us ASAP and we'll get you guys started. Now, I'll see you guys at the bank. Peace.